everyone, Mike from Cardo here to show you how the latest update for current generation PACKTALKs now allows for a Cardo Mesh group and a Sena Mesh group to come together into one conversation more reliably than ever before. Here's how to do it. So what we have here is two Cardos connected and talking to each other in their mesh group, and two Sena devices connected and talking to each other in their own mesh group. Now, either one of these groups, or both, could contain many more units in their own mesh, but the process remains the same in merging the two. Start by identifying one Cardo and one Sena from the two different groups as our bridge units. This will be our bridge from the Cardo group, this will be our bridge from the Sena group. On the Cardo side, switch it over to Bluetooth intercom mode. You can do that via the buttons or the Cardo Connect app. That's now in Bluetooth intercom mode. On the Sena, on this model, turn mesh off that way. And now we're going to pair these together in their native Bluetooth intercom pairing. We wait for the two of these to pair with each other. They're paired up in Bluetooth. Let's switch it back to DMC on the Cardo side. We'll reactivate mesh on the Sena. So these two are again talking in mesh. These two are back to talking in their own mesh. The way to bridge these two, you can only do it on the Cardo side. It's 3 taps of the intercom button. That just opened the bridge to this. All 4 of these are now communicating with each other. To close the bridge and to go back to their respective meshes, 1, 2, 3. The bridge is now closed. It's now back to that and that. Now, if the two bridge units, meaning the one Cardo and the one Sena, get too far apart from each other, which is plus or minus 100 yards, then that connection will drop and the two groups will no longer be talking as one. However, as of this update, the Cardo will spend 5 minutes trying to reestablish that connection. Once it does, everybody will be able to hear and talk to each other. Nobody had to push any buttons, and all is good. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.